Don't let its size fool you. The new Speed Demon Power Pack is a powerful little beast. Stay tuned! The new Speed Demon 400 CCA Power Pack is strong enough to jumpstart your rig, comes with enough accessories to charge nearly anything, and is small enough to fit into your pocket. Let's take an up close look at this guy. So here she is. We got our engine start compartment. We'll show you the plug for that in a minute. We got a built-in flashlight, which I thought was pretty cool. It's got some different modes. You got a flash and an SOS. Kind of a cool little feature, I thought. We got a battery meter here. We've got an output for charging laptops and other more powerful things, and 2 outputs for your USBs. Let's take a look at what's in the case. Jumper cables. Alright, nice plug that plug into the back of the charger pack, which is right here, which I already showed you. A car charger, charge it up on the go. We got a wall charger. A universal plug for laptops with a whole bunch of connection choices for you. I know that this one is for my laptop. I'm not sure about yours. And then over here, I used this last night. It is a USB to pretty much anything. Cord, Android, your GoPro, and other various things. Your iPhone lightning pin. And then that one. I think that's for maybe an LG. They say that you need at least 2 bars of power to jumpstart a vehicle. I've gone through 1 bar charging my laptop, cell phone, iPad, and so we're left with 3 bars. Loki is deader than a doornail out there, hasn't been started in months, so what do you say we give this thing a challenge? Stay tuned. Alright, let's see, Loki is deader than dead. We got nothing. We're gonna set our power pack here. We're gonna grab our cables. Hook up our cables first. Open up the little flap here. It only goes in one way. We got a slightly beveled side. Nice, great connection. We'll set that down and see what happens. Now with the battery pack hooked up. Oh yeah! So there you have it. The Speed Demon Power Pack was strong enough to fire up Loki after been sitting for quite some time. Usually I'd be dragging out this, actually pack this on board with me pretty much everywhere I go. But it looks like I'm gonna be saving some weight and some space and just packing around this puppy. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, follow, subscribe. Thanks for your support. Demolish darkness.